High school family, this week in class we read the book Knock, Knock, Open Up while working on our core word of the week, which was open. I decided to record the book so you can read along from home. So here's the first page. We're going to knock, knock, open up. Eek! A black cat. Meow! Let's close the door. All right, let's see what's next. Knock, knock, open up. Eek! A white ghost. Ah! Close the door. Slam that door shut. Knock, knock. Open up. Eek! A green witch. Close the door. Knock, knock. Open up. Eek! A purple bat. Close the door. Knock, knock. Open up. Ooh, a gray spider. Creepy. Close the door. Knock, knock. Open up. Eek! An orange jack-o'-lantern. Close the door. One more. Let's see what's behind our last door. Knock, knock. Open up. Oh, yay! It's yummy candy. Let's eat it up. The end. Thanks for reading along with me.